have you heard of airplane flying the sky?
많이 봤어.
Oh yeah, you know the airplane. Then now, how high does the airplane fly in the sky? How high?
새보다 더 높이 날아.
Oh, the airplane can
새보다
fly.
더 높이 날 수 있어.
over the birds. But then, how about mountain? You know this mountain, Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world?
에버리.
Oh, does the airplane fly higher than this mountain? Higher? Why? Why the airplane fly higher than this mountain?
아빠 내가 해볼게.
You think the airplane fly
여기까지.
here? Here? Why? Why do you think so?
나는 엄청 높이 본 것도 있고 가까운 데서 본 적 있는데 여기에서도 본 적 있고 여기에서도 본 적 있어.
It's over 11 kilometers from the surface. But you think the plane can fly over the 11 kilometers here?
아니
Why?
나는 여기에서 비행기를 본 적이 있고 난
When?
여기에서
When did you
본
see
적이
that?
있고 유치원 놀이터에서 한번 봤고
This is the highest building in the world. And this is the highest mountain in the world. But you think the plane can fly over the mountain. Now that I gotta ask you,
나는 놀이터야 여기 있는데
does the airplane fly over the clouds or lower the clouds? Over or lower? Lower. Why? Why do you think so?
너무 높이 나는 비행기가 잘 안 보이잖아.
Should I see that? Then let's say you are a pilot now. You are a pilot. You drive an airplane, okay? But there's in front of you, there's clouds. You meet the clouds. What happened? What happened? What if you go into the clouds? What happened?
창문을 열어가지고 구름빵을 만들면 돼.
Great idea.
Yeah.
But actually, you are a pilot. You have many passengers. If you go inside the clouds, Sammy, you can't see anything. You can't see anything because of the clouds. Right?
하얀색이요.
Right? Am I right? Yeah. So it could be dangerous. If you go inside the clouds, you could be dangerous, right? So you don't want to meet clouds when you drive airplane. It's okay if it's just a cloud, it's okay. But if that cloud has lightning, what happened? Lightning clouds, stormy clouds. The lightning, boom! You can could hit you. So usually the airplane is here. So usually, Sammy, you are right. You are right, Sammy. The airplane usually typically flies over the 11 kilometers. Second airplane?
아니.
No.
창문은 내렸죠. 구름까지 본 적.
Yeah. Hey, you are going to get on the airplane, right? You can see the clouds at the time inside the airplane. Maybe you can see. Maybe you would see the clouds. You will see the clouds below the airplane. Below. Because usually plane fly over 11 kilometers.
아빠 쉬운 거 해줘 이번에는.
Don't you think it's easy?
재미없다 이거는.
Really?